Hello everyone, I am Adwork and welcome to this video about cloud computing. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know about cloud computing, including what it is, how it works, and the benefits of using it. So, let's get started. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the delivery of computing resources over the internet. These resources include servers, storage, databases, networking, software, and analytics. The term cloud refers to the internet, and computing refers to the provision of these resources. How does cloud computing work? Cloud computing is based on the idea of remote servers that can be accessed over the internet. Users can access these servers and use the resources they provide on demand, without the need for any physical infrastructure on their end. These servers are managed by cloud service providers who are responsible for maintaining them, securing them, and ensuring their availability. Types of cloud computing. There are three main types of cloud computing: infrastructure as a service, IaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, and software as a service, SaaS. Infrastructure as a service, IaaS. In IaaS, the cloud provider offers virtualized computing resources over the internet. These resources include servers, storage, and networking. Users can use these resources to build and deploy their own applications and manage them as they see fit. Platform as a service, PaaS. PaaS is a cloud computing model that provides users with a platform to develop, run, and manage their applications. The cloud provider manages the infrastructure and operating system, and users can focus on developing their applications. Software as a service, SaaS. SaaS is a cloud computing model where the cloud provider offers software applications over the internet. Users can access these applications through a web browser or a mobile app, and the cloud provider manages everything else, including infrastructure, security, and updates. Benefits of cloud computing. There are many benefits of using cloud computing, including scalability. Cloud computing resources can be scaled up or down depending on demand, making it easier to manage resources and avoid over-provisioning. Cost effectiveness. Cloud computing can be more cost-effective than traditional computing, as users only pay for what they use. Reliability. Cloud computing providers offer high availability and disaster recovery services to ensure that resources are always available. Security. Cloud computing providers offer advanced security features to protect resources from threats such as hacking, malware, and data breaches. Flexibility. Cloud computing allows users to work from anywhere with an internet connection, and access resources from any device. In conclusion, cloud computing is a powerful technology that offers a wide range of benefits to users. It allows users to access computing resources over the internet, without the need for physical infrastructure. With cloud computing, users can scale resources, reduce costs, improve reliability, enhance security, and increase flexibility. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on technology and innovation.